The best drones make it simple to capture cinematic stills and video from the sky. With high-resolution sensors and automated safety features, the top options let you get airborne easily, giving you access to aerial angles previously reserved for helicopter passengers. For this reason, drones have become the tool of choice for countless filmmakers and photographers. In this video, we will present to you the best 5 drones in 2023. So let's get started. Packing the performance of bigger drones into convenient proportions, we think the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the best compact drone you can buy. It's more expensive than previous editions of the Mini, but that extra cost yields a huge upgrade over the Mini 2. For the money, you get a far superior camera, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a range of in-flight features that you'd normally only find on larger drones. In our review, we found that the Mini 3 Pro's 12.1 megapixel, 1/1.3 inches sensor produced excellent image quality. We also encountered very little noise, even at the maximum ISO 6400, while the combination of a bright f1.7 lens and dual native ISO tech gives the Mini 3 Pro impressive low-light performance. Its 3-directional obstacle avoidance worked well in testing. Together with automated flight modes, this makes it an easy drone for beginners to operate. We also like the option to rotate its camera by 90 degrees for crop-free portrait recording. If you can stretch your budget to include the DJI RC controller, you'll land the best backpack-friendly bundle for aerial photography and video, bar none. With dual cameras and improved wind resistance, the DJI Air 3 represents a significant upgrade over the already capable Air 2S from 2021. A 720g takeoff weight puts the Air 3 in Europe's C1 category, meaning it's subject to more restrictions than the sub-250g drones in this list. But you also get a lot of benefits for the extra baggage, including a generous 46-minute flight time. In testing, we found image quality class leading, as we've come to expect from DJI. Fixed apertures aren't helpful for users of ND filters, but we found that the 3x zoom lens allows you to work at a safe and legal distance from subjects, a particularly useful feature if you're recording wildlife. Because the DJI Air 3 is a big drone, many novices will find the Mini 3 more manageable. That said, we think beginners will have no issue piloting the Air 3, thanks to its easy interface and useful safety features. As a middle ground between the more affordable Mini 3 Pro and the highly capable Mavic 3 Pro, it makes a lot of sense. DJI's new flagship is the first consumer drone with 3 cameras. These are 2 more than most pilots need. But if you're an aerial photographer or videographer in search of the most versatile drone on the market, the results of our testing suggest the Mavic 3 Pro is the premium pick for you. In our review, we found the image quality of the main 24mm 4/3 camera, the same one used by the Mavic 3 Classic, below, the best. It's also the winner in terms of adjustable aperture, formats, and frame rates. That said, both telephoto cameras produce excellent images, and the option to zoom in 3x and 7x is fantastically useful in a range of scenarios. Despite being a pro drone, we found the Mavic 3 Pro incredibly easy to fly, aided by excellent safety features that make it accessible to all users. That said, its pro-tier video modes as well as its price tag make it overkill for beginners. Its weight also puts it into the restrictive C2 European drone category. But if you want a top-spec drone that's more portable and less expensive than the Inspire 3, the Mavic 3 offers it all plus 2 telephotos. As the flagship flying machine from Autel's latest lineup of DJI rivals, the Evo Lite Plus goes directly up against the Air 2S. Capable of shooting 4K footage at 30 frames per second using a 1-inch sensor, it shares a remarkably similar spec sheet. But it also both leapfrogs the Air 2S and the Mavic Pro 2 with its 40-minute flight time and adjustable aperture, ranging from f2.8 to f11. The Lite Plus model does lack the 4th axis stabilization of its Evo Lite sibling, but the larger pixels on its sensor give it better light gathering potential in dim conditions. Pro drone videographers might think twice about the lack of 10-bit video and D-Log profile, while the omission of side sensors for obstacle avoidance is a shame. But in all other respects, we found the Lite Plus to be an impressively versatile piece of flying camera equipment in our review. For the money, its 20-megapixel sensor is probably the best camera available on a drone today, which gives the Air 2S some serious competition. If you don't need the reassurance of collision avoidance, the Mini 3 is the best budget drone you can buy. Small, lightweight, and more affordable than the Mini 3 Pro, it delivers identical image quality to its costlier sibling. Provided you're confident to navigate in-flight obstacles without automated assistance, it's a high-quality drone capable of capturing excellent JPEG and RAW stills, as well as 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. Helpfully, its 12-megapixel sensor can also rotate to shoot in portrait. A lack of log profiles limits its appeal to professionals, while the absence of subject tracking marks another downgrade from the Pro version. That said, the Mini 3 still features quick shots, which allow beginners to capture cinematic footage using automated flight paths. We found it an easy drone to pilot with the optional controller, with downward vision sensors and GPS to help with hovering. Stepping up to the Mavic 3 Classic would yield better image quality and increased stability in windy conditions, but with decent real-world flight times of 25 minutes, the Mini 3 ticks all the key boxes for budget buyers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. See you in the next one.